Now we've read that comment already. So that's, and then, and this is what I want to ask you to help us understand. Because on this 22nd of July, and this appears and your legal team can help you there. It's in general, an annexure to his statement. On the 22nd of July, 2025, pages 424, 423, 424, we approved the budget for the and that is until March 2026. So that's why I'm asking rather than putting it to you, because I'm also not sure. There's a work study which talks about units and for various reasons. Either they must be terminated, the budgets must be reduced, or they must be phased out. It doesn't seem to be the people cleaning staff, because this, as we speak,